Hey everyone, welcome to AI Rage.
Yes, welcome.
Daniel, how did you get here?
Well, I just thought I should join you.
I'm not doing examples of text-to-speech voices until later. Will you leave for now, please?
Oh, okay.
In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use two popular text-to-speech sites, Murf.ai and Play.ht. At the end of this video, I'll also compare the two sites based on what free benefits you get and the quality of their voices. So let's get started. To start using Murf.ai or Play.ht, just go to, Murf.ai and Play.ht in your browser. You'll need to create an account for both, and then you're set. Then, create a project and choose a voice. Unless you're planning to pay for Murf right away, you'll want to tap that Show Pro Voices switch on the left-hand side of your screen so you can only see the free voices. In Play, I choose Ultra Realistic Voices. Then you can just type in your text you want the voice to say. A lot of Murf voices let you choose the pitch, speed, and tone, and Play lets you adjust the speed. Murf gives you 10 minutes of audio generation right away, but you can't download anything and you don't get more minutes, so that's all you get. Play HD gives you a few free downloads, and you get 5,000 words per month, and it keeps renewing, so I like that a lot better. And you get access to all of their voices, none are held back to free users. So now comes the fun part, the test.
Testing text-to-speech voices is a very interesting project.
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 Okay, so based on the fact that I like the sound of Play's voices a little bit better, and you get monthly renewing free features, so I'd go with Play HT. So I found out that today's TTS voices are quite good, so you'll probably hear some of them in future videos of mine. Thanks for watching, and please sub.
You can hear me on Day in the Life. You'll be hearing more from me.
Can you just stop talking, please?
Alright, I guess I can.
If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It'll help me a lot. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Play.ht is the best.
Daniel!